Morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We know very well that our eyes were created so that we can see. So that we can see good things, we can see beautiful things, we can see godly things around us. But we also face the fact that sadly our eyes can also be the entry to seeing what is sinful, to what is bad, to what is evil. Our eyes, more than being a blessing, can also silently judge others. And like what the Lord said, be able to see a splinter in others' eye. We might find it pleasurable to see someone's splinter. Baka laging may napupuna sa iba, laging may nakikitang masama sa iba, o di kaya ang mga mata natin ay hindi na nakakakilala ng kabutihan. Maybe it's high time for us to check that we might have that wooden beam inside our hearts or maybe right in front of our very eyes. Having those blocks may make it possible to see madness rather than beauty. When God called Abram, God's eyes are always free from the wooden beam. He was able to see the worth of Abram. He was able to see the bright future for Abram. He affirmed the soon-to-be mission of Abram. His eyes were not for cursing, it was for blessing. And as we begin and face another fresh week of encounters and discoveries, let us make our eyes capable of seeing blessings rather than for cursing. From being judgmental to being affirmative. From seeing what is bad to seeing what is good. From noticing too much from others to being mindful also of our own sinfulness. And when these things are removed from us, these splinters, or shall we say, the wooden beams that we have, may we be transformed from cursing to blessing, from judging others to inspiring others.